Hi, I'm John Cole. I'm the President and CEO. The electronics manufacturing industry continues to grow and change, and there's no better place to participate in the excitement than at IPC APEX EXPO. From the show floor, the classroom, and all points in between, IPC APEX EXPO 2019 is the place to be to learn, network, conduct business, and create new relationships while building on established ones. Here are several things to look forward to at IPC APEX EXPO 2019. First, watch contenders from all over the world compete in the IPC Hand Soldering World Championship and Rework Competition. Find out what nearly 500 of the industry's top innovators and suppliers have to offer on the show floor. Listen to co-founder and chief technical officer of Tesla, J.B. Struble, delivered the keynote Accelerating and Disrupting Innovation, the Tesla Story, on Tuesday, January 29th. Participate in the many networking activities available, from the first-timers welcome reception to the ice cream social on the show floor. Attend one of our buzz sessions to learn about the hottest trends and newest opportunities in the electronics industry. Participate in our technical conference to discover the latest research and innovations in the areas of board fabrication and design and electronics assembly. Attend standard committee meetings. Your input is critical to the development of IPC standards. You can take a professional development course. These 3-hour courses are traditional electronics industry topics with brand new developments designed to help you build your knowledge and enrich your career. You can join discussions at the Executive Forum on Advancing Automotive Electronics as they cover issues facing the rapidly changing and evolving automotive electronics industry. Participate in the IPC CFX demo, simplifying and standardizing machine-to-machine communication and forming the backbone of Industry 4.0 applications. And lastly, come talk with me. You can find me on social media, visiting exhibitors on the show floor, or participating in all that APEX EXPO has to offer. I thoroughly enjoy meeting IPC members in person. Every year, APEX EXPO provides me with unique ways of learning things I didn't realize that I needed to know. I look forward to seeing you and learning along with you in sunny San Diego in just a few short weeks. Thank you.